Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Honda Odyssey back seats. Whether you need extra cargo space for a big trip or are moving large items, taking out these seats can be a game changer. We'll cover the steps for both the third and second rows, including the center and outer seats. It's a straightforward process, but knowing the right technique makes it much easier and safer. Let's get started and transform your minivan's interior. Removing the third row seat is a great way to open up significant cargo space. First, raise the seat upright, then carefully remove the plastic hinge covers. Next, you'll need a 14mm socket wrench to unbolt the upper and lower hinge bolts. Once all bolts are removed, pull the release strap to disengage the seat. Remember, this seat can weigh around 83 pounds, so consider having a helper for safe removal. The second row center seat is designed for easy removal, offering more flexibility for your passengers or cargo. Start by unbuckling and storing its seatbelt. Then, pull the lock-release strap to fold the seat back forward. Next, find the release lever at the front of the seat base and pull it. This will disengage the seat, allowing you to lift it out. This seat weighs approximately 40 pounds, making it manageable for one person. Removing the second row outer seats provides maximum cargo capacity. Begin by lowering the headrest and sliding the seat all the way back. Use the side lever to fold the seat back completely forward. Then, locate and pull the release latch at the front corner of the seat. This action allows the entire seat to tilt forward, disengaging it from the floor. Be aware these seats can weigh up to 80 pounds each, so teamwork is highly recommended for safe handling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.